Departing from France, in Collioure, we spent the first 2 days on dry tracks, with the 4-wheel drive full of dust. We didn't know what to expect, and each corner was a new discovery. After that, we reached the mountains with rocky tracks, surrounded by peaks and breathtaking views. When you go into adventures, night are always a special moment. With the Defender, it's in the roof tent. We woke up in the middle of nature and it was just peacefulness, quietness. Every morning was full of surprises, some days surrounded by horses, donkeys, and others by cows. Your feelings are so good that you're full of energy to go explore again. After mountains crossing, we go down to the French Basque Country, with a final view on the Atlantic Ocean. The feeling is incredible. Your look is lost in the ocean, and at this moment you know that you achieved something wonderful.